There's a reason why Vaseline jelly is known as the original wonder jelly, because it has a variety of uses, some more unusual than others. It's such a versatile product, and there are many Vaseline jelly uses for beauty. Here are just some of the amazing uses of Vaseline jelly that you may not have heard of. Tackle dry skin patches. One of the best Vaseline jelly uses on the face is to treat very dry skin. Apply Vaseline jelly to problem areas. It will help lock in natural moisture and oils that your skin needs, giving you healthy-looking, hydrated skin. Protect against external causes of dry skin. Vaseline jelly helps protect your skin from harsh weather conditions such as strong winds. Before you go outside, put a thin layer of Vaseline jelly onto sensitive areas. This will form a protective barrier which locks in moisture to help protect your skin from the drying effects of the sun, wind, and cold. Remember, you should also use sunscreen with SPF 30 every day to protect your skin from the signs of sun damage. Rejuvenate dull skin. Vaseline jelly rejuvenates dry, tired skin to help keep it looking youthful and radiant. The jelly creates a sealing barrier on the surface skin, locking in moisture and protecting your skin's natural recovery process. The natural cell renewal process allows for dry, damaged skin cells to flake off. Vaseline is 100% pure, and it can even be used on sensitive areas like around the eyes to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and dry, flaky skin over time. Hydrate your skin. Most of us know the importance of using a daily moisturizer. Maximize the benefits of this daily ritual by using a product that seals in essential moisture where it's needed. Vaseline jelly locks in moisture deep within the stratum corneum, the surface skin, where dryness occurs, to replenish moisture and help heal dry skin. Apply Vaseline jelly on the face, lips, or body to keep skin hydrated throughout the day. Soothe diaper rash. Babies have delicate skin that needs to be protected by only using gentle products. Vaseline jelly is triple purified, hypoallergenic, and non-irritating. It has been shown to provide protection against diaper wetness by the application of a continuous film to the skin in the diaper area. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline jelly to the rash. This will lock in moisture and keep out wetness, helping to soothe irritation and help prevent the rash. Vaseline uses for beauty. Make your own lip scrub. Use Vaseline jelly on its own for powerful lip protection and a brilliant shine, or put a small amount on a dry, clean and soft toothbrush and gently scrub your lips to remove flaky skin. Exfoliating your lips gently with Vaseline jelly can help to keep them smooth and soft. Create a dewy glow. Dab a small amount of Vaseline jelly on the apples of your cheeks to accentuate your cheekbones and create beautiful glow. Perfect your manicure. Spread a small amount of Vaseline jelly on the outside of your nails before you paint them. The jelly will stop polish from going out, spilling outside the lines of your nails when you apply it. Tame your eyebrows. Dab the tip of your index finger in a small amount of Vaseline jelly and smooth it over the arches of your eyebrows to keep them looking tamed all day long. Amazed by the many Vaseline petroleum jelly uses? It is a versatile, useful addition to your usual beauty skincare routines. Make sure you've always got a jar of Wonder Jelly around the house.